In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install MetaTrader 5 on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. To get started, open your preferred web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this example. Next, head to your favorite search engine and search for MetaTrader 5. Once the search results appear, scroll down and make sure you click on the official MetaTrader 5 website. After opening the website, look for the download button and click on it. Since we're installing MetaTrader 5 on Windows, select the Windows version. The setup file will begin downloading automatically. When the download is complete, open File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the MetaTrader 5 setup file you just downloaded and double-click it to launch the installer. A Windows security prompt may appear. If it does, simply allow the application to run. The installation wizard will then open. Review the license agreement if you'd like, then click Next to continue. The installer will now begin installing MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Wait a few moments while the installation process completes. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. MetaTrader 5 will automatically launch, and you'll see the platform open on your screen. You may also be redirected to the MQL5 website, where you can create an account and access additional MetaTrader features, tools, and services. That's all there is to it. MetaTrader 5 is now successfully installed on your PC or laptop. As a quick reminder, trading involves risk. While it's possible to make money, it's also possible to lose money. Always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching and enjoy using MetaTrader 5.